Hi, hello everyone. Welcome once again to your own YouTube channel. आज जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और जैसे कि बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटीज़ जब हमको मिल जाती हैं तो उन क्वांटिटीज़ को हम कैसे इन द शॉर्टर फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं तो उसे कहा जाता है साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. तो आज हम साइंटिफिक नोटेशन के ऊपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. तो टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू बी साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. साइंटिफिक नोटेशन तो जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटीज़ व्हेन वी गेट टू सी और वी when we come across very huge quantities, very huge numbers, magnitude is too much, then how to express them in an easier manner? That tells us the use of scientific notation. So suppose if we take an example of the width of the Milky Way galaxy, the width of the Milky Way galaxy. So the width of the Milky Way galaxy is about, you all know the galaxy in which our planet Earth comes is called the Milky Way. So the width has been estimated to be about 946 triple zero triple zero triple zero triple zero triple zero kilometers. So this much kilometer is the width of our Milky Way galaxy. Now it's a huge number, so we can express it using scientific notation in shorter form. So what you have to do is that we convert the number by taking factors, expressing it into two factors. One factor should be a number between 1 to 10. One factor should be a number between 1 to 10, and other factor, the second factor, should be in multiples of 10. In this way, when we represent, that becomes the scientific notation. So between 1 to 10 we can express 946 as 9.46. Now it's a number between 1 to 10. 9.46, number between 1 to 10. And when we have expressed it like this, then 10 and 10 to the power, how much? We will count the digit from the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 to the power 17, 10 raised to the power 17 kilometers. So in this way it can be written in the form of scientific notation. This will be the correct scientific notation of this number. So with this simple concept of scientific notation, let's start our next exercise, that is exercise 4D. Exercise 4D. In that, question number one is saying that there are some numbers are given. We have to tell that whether the number is in scientific notation or not. Like it is saying 24 into 10 raised to the power 7. So we have to tell whether it is in scientific notation or not. So this one is correct, but this number should be between 1 to 10, and it is not between 1 to 10, it is 24, so it is not in the correct scientific notation, so we'll write it as no. Second part, it is saying 7 into 10 to the power 4. So this number is between 1 to 10, 7, and this is also in the multiples of 10, so we will say yes, the number is in scientific notation. Third part, it is saying 8.9 into 5 raised to the power 2. Now in this number is between 1 to 10, but the second factor should be in the multiples of 10, which is not, so this is not in scientific notation, so we will write no. And in the fourth part, it is saying 0.3 into 10 raised to the power 6. So 0.3 is a number between 1 to 10 0.3. The number should be between 1 to 10, 1 and 10, but 0.3 is less than 1. So this one will not consider in the scientific notation, correct scientific notation. So this will be the answer. Now in the question number 2, it is saying complete the following. So it is written, some number is written on the left hand side, then there is equal to, and on the right hand side it has been converted into scientific notation. So we have to complete it, like it is saying in the first part, 54 and 6 zeros. So when we will convert it, on the right hand side it is written 5.4 into 10 raised to the power blank. So in that box we have to fill the correct power of 10. So 5.4 we will count from after the decimal, that is 4. So 1 and 3 and 3 6, 6 and 1 7. So 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7. In the same way, second part we have to do the same thing, and then the same manner the third part. Let's see the fourth part. In the fourth part it is saying 274, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, then it's converted into 2.74 multiplied by 10 raised to the power what? So 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 and 1 10. So 10 raised to the power 10. This will be the answer. Then in the third part, the third question, it is saying write in scientific notation. It is saying write the numbers in scientific notation, like the number given as the first part is 72,000. So you have to write into scientific notation. So you know the rule. The first number should be between 1 and 10. So 1 and 10, this 72 can be made as what? 7.2. And if point is here, we will count after the point 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4. So it's converted into scientific notation. In the same way, let's see the fourth part. In the fourth part, it is saying 8,040,000 and for the 000. Now, in order to convert the first number between 1 to 10, we can write 804 as 8.04 multiplied by, count after the decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 10 raised to the power 9. 10 raised to the power 9. In the same way, let us see the sixth part. The sixth part, it is saying Saturn is about 16,000,000,000 kilometer from the Earth. So the distance between Saturn and Earth is given, which is 16,000,000,000 and then 000. This much kilometers from the Earth. So we can write in scientific notation 16 as 1.6 and count after the decimal, 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. So into 10 raised to the power 9. Now in the seventh part, it has introduced one unit called light year. Yes, light year. Light year is a unit in itself. When the distance between the two objects is too much, such that like the distance between two planets or the Earth and Moon, or the Earth and any other planet, or the Earth and Sun, then we use the unit like light year because the distance is in too much amount. So 1 light year is equals to 946 946,000 000 and 000 kilometers. This much amount of kilometers is called as 1 light year. So if we are going to convert into scientific notation, 946 can be written as 9.46 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. So 10 to the power 12 kilometers. 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. Then in the question number 4, it is saying write the number in standard form. Write the number in standard form, like it is saying 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. So standard form, we have to convert into standard form. We have to remove the 10 to the powers, not in scientific notation. So 6 and 10 to the power 5 means 5 zeros. So this much. This will be the standard form. In the same way, the third part, it is saying 8.9 into 10 raised to the power 7. So when we will write it in standard form, 8 and 9, then 2 zeros, 3 digits and 4 more zeros. So 3 plus 3 6 and 1 7. So this will be the standard form of 8.9 into 10 power 7. Then, like in the fifth part, it is saying the diameter of Sun's largest ring, Saturn's largest ring, is about 4.8 into 10 power 5 kilometer. 4.8 into 10 power 5 kilometer. So we'll convert into standard form. So 4 8 and 4 zeros. So 2 and 3 5. So this much kilometers is going to be the standard form. So here your exercise 4D gets complete. Let's come to another exercise, which is 4E. In 4E, question number 1 says that every hour a cell divides into 2 cells. There is a cell which is dividing into 2 cells every hour. Which expression represents the number of cells after 5 hours? Which expression? So exercise is 4E. Question number 1. So which expression is correct? So it is getting doubled, so 2 will be taken, and after 5 hours it is asking, so 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5 will be the answer. That is A, part A. There are 4 options, MCQ type. So first option. Let's see question number 2. The question number 2 says that a certificate of pedigree lists a dog's parents, grandparents and so on. The power 2 raised to the power 6 describes the number of great grandparents a dog has. How many is this? So a dog has 2 raised to the power 6 grandparents, great grandparents. So 2 raised to the power 6 is equals to how much? 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. So 64 parents, number of parents, great grandparents the dog has. Question number 3. The sun is the center of our solar system. The sun is the star closest to our planet. The surface temperature of sun is close to 10,000 degree Fahrenheit. Write 10,000 using exponents. Very simple. 10,000 degree Fahrenheit. When we will convert this into exponents, we can write as 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power 4 degree Fahrenheit. In the question number 4, Ajay is putting 1 rupee in the envelope and then he is doubling the amount, doubles the number of rupees, which means that he adds 2 rupees each day, and he does this for continuously 8 days. So 2 rupees raised to the power 8. 2 raised to the power 8, which will be 256 rupees. So this much will be rupees he will be having. He must have saved after the 8th day. Then in the question number 5, it is saying, in Kalpana's school, one person will contact 4 people and each of those people will contact 4 other people and so on. How many people will be contacted in the 5th round? So 4 people, one is contacting 4 people and is asking after the 5th round how many number of people will be contacted, and each is contacting the other 4 people. So 4 multiplied by 4, and this will be done how many times? 5 times. So 4 raised to the power 5. 4 raised to the power 5. So 4 into 4, 16, 4 is 64, or it can be written as 2 raised to the power 10, and 2 raised to the power 10 is 1024. So 1024 people will be contacted. Question number 6 is saying the population of a certain town triples every decade. Every decade means 10 years of time. The population is getting tripled. So it is asking that if the population in 2000, year 2000 was 4,500, the people in the year 2000 were 4,500, how many people will be living in the town in the year 2050? 2050. So how many years gap? 50 years. 50 years when converted into decade will be how much? 5 decades. So the population is getting tripled, so this will also get tripled how many times? 5 times. So 4,500 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 5. Then question number 7. Question number 7, there is a painting made up of 3 concentric squares. Concentric squares means, suppose there is a square, one square is enclosing the other square, and the third square is enclosing the other square. So concentric square, 3 concentric squares. The side length of the largest square is 24 centimeter. The largest square side is 24 centimeter. What is the area of the painting? What is the area of the painting? So this is the painting and this is the area. So area of a square is what? Side ka square. And side is 24, so 24 square. 24 square is 576. So 576 centimeter square. Question number 8. Question number 8 is saying Prabha wants to predict the number of hits she will get on her web page. Prabha, there is a girl who is having her own web page, website. So her web page received 3 hits during the first week it was posted. So 3 people visited the website on the first week. If the number of hits triples every week, how many hits will the web page receive during the 8th week? So the first week the page received 3 hits, and after the first week it is asking after the 8th week. So how many weeks are remaining now? 7 weeks. So it is getting tripled. So 3 raised to the power 7. 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 7 will become 3 raised to the power 8, and 3 raised to the power 8 is equals to 6561. So this much amount of hits or people will visit the website at the end of 8th week. Then let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is saying, on Monday, Reenu tells 3 people a secret. The next day, each of them tells 3 more people. If this pattern continues, how many people besides Reenu will know the secret next Monday? So on Monday, there's a girl Reenu which tells 3 people a secret. Then the next day, each of them tells 3 other people. So it is asking, if this pattern continues, how many people will know the secret till next Monday? So from Monday to next Monday will be number of, how many number of days? There will be 8 number of days. So 3 into 3 raised to the power 7. So it will be 3 raised to the power 8 again. So this much number of people will know the secret. Then question number 10. Question number 10 is saying, bacteria can divide every 20 minutes. There is a bacteria which can divide from 1 into 2, convert 1 into 2 in every 20 minutes. One bacterium can multiply to 2 in 20 minutes, 4 in 40 minutes, and so on. How many bacteria will be there in 6 hours? Write your answer using exponents and then evaluate. So in every 20 minutes, the bacteria is multiplying into 2. So bacteria is multiplying from 1, it is becoming 2 in every 20 minutes of time. So the time after which it is being asked is 6 hours. So in 6 hours will be converted into minutes, it will be multiplied with 60. And how many 20 minutes can be taken out? We divide it by 20. So 20 will cancel out the 60 3 times. So 18 20 minutes can be taken out from 6 hours. So it is becoming 2, doubling its amount. So after 18 20 minutes, then it will be 2 raised to the power 18. This much amount of bacteria will be there. So by this the exercise gets complete and the chapter exponents also gets complete.